Overwhelming response, with regard to joint action. March 25, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. When I invited people to join in a joint action to hold the perpetrators and patent holders of the Corona-19 virus accountable, I got an overwhelming response, literally. It also became quickly apparent that most people were thinking of such an action at common law as if it were a class action, which it is not. Common law requires actual harm down to actual people, not classes of people, so claims have to be specific and verifiable claims of harm. For example, I am a business owner, and I had to destroy my entire stock of open-bin animal feeds, for fear of contamination. I am a restaurant owner and the forced closure cost me the loss of at least a month's worth of average receipts. I am a waitress and I lost my job, leaving me destitute. I am a middle manager for a corporation that had to shut down operations due to the pandemic. I lost my job and custody of my kids. I got sick with the virus and had to spend a month in the hospital. The harm or cost in a common law case has to be direct, specific harm to a living man or woman, or to their property, and there must be some reasonable means to measure that harm, for example, job loss, lost income, business loss, lost receipts, medical costs, foreclosure caused by job loss, etc., etc. To help people get a better idea of what is involved in this specific situation, we've drafted a joint action package to explain these requirements and where things stand with addressing the COVID-19 pandemic. This package is being made available for download and includes a claim form. My FB friends will need to go to either my website, www.annavonreitz.com, or to www.theamericanstatesassembly.net. annavonreitz.com/jointactionsuitsinkommonlaw.pdf. annavonreitz.com/jointactionsuitsinkommonlaw.doc. The Living Law Firm is entertaining such joint action in the public interest and beginning the process, but everyone needs to realize that this is a developing situation and much of the evidence needed to pursue damage claims won't be immediately available. For example, the genetic sequencing of the virus taken from patients has to be matched against known laboratory strains and patents of coronavirus held by foreign corporations. This is not going to be any quick fix, and should be viewed as action taken primarily in the public interest to discourage corporations from pursuing development of bio-warfare agents, profit-making based on creating disease, death, and disruption, and similar activities. It may also be used to discipline the Patent Office for clearing criminal patents and to break the corporate veil protecting military subcontractors, allowing military subcontractors to pursue aims that are not permitted to their government agency employers, yet occurring under the guise and protection of national security concerns. There are presently two strains of COVID-19 which the Chinese have dubbed S and L. Their exact relationship to each other and to the patented strains of the coronavirus and other SARS viruses is not yet clear. These two different strains are significantly different in their overall presentation and impact, with the S variety more likely to cause a more conventional and survivable illness, while the L variation causes much more serious medical problems and rates of mortality. Efforts to properly identify the virus and virus type are being hampered by the extremely infectious character of both strains, and limited medical personnel and resources available to capture baseline data on each case. Much needed sampling and autopsy work is being sacrificed to deal with the urgent care caseload. This may mean delays or loss of critical evidence needed to tie the specific virus to specific cases, and may serve to weaken our ability to claim damages from the patent holders, but we are hopeful that enough data will be collected and correlated to enable a successful joint action to recoup at least some damages and to accomplish our public interest mission of discouraging these activities by corporations. We will try to recontact those who emailed me and forward the joint action package, but owing to the volume of responses, if you don't hear from us in the next day or two, please go to my website to download the joint action package directly. Please consider making a small donation to help support Anna and the Living Law Firm by visiting theamericanstatesassembly.net, scroll to the bottom and click on the Donate Now button. Thank you.